Plants may look harmless enough, but there are plants that can harbor some of the most deadly poisons known. So here's the 7 of the world's deadliest plants. Top 7. The water hemlock. Water hemlock has been deemed the most violently toxic plant in North America. Water hemlock is infused with deadly psychotoxin, especially in its roots that rapidly generate potentially fatal symptoms in anyone unlucky enough to eat it. Painful convulsions, abdominal cramps, and death are common, and those who survived often afflicted with amnesia or lasting tremors. Number 6. The deadly nightshade. A native of wooded or waste areas in central and southern Eurasia, deadly nightshade has dull green leaves and shiny black berries about the size of cherries. Nightshade contains atropine and scopolamine in its stems, leaves, berries, and roots, and causes paralysis in the involuntary muscles of the body, including the heart, and even physical contact with the leaves may cause skin irritation. Top 5. The white snakeroot. The white snakeroot was responsible for the death of Abraham Lincoln's mother, Nancy Hanks. White snakeroot is a North American herb with flat-top clusters of small white flowers and contains a toxic alcohol known as trematol. Unlike those who have died from directly ingesting deadly plants, poor Nancy was poisoned by simply drinking the milk of a cow who had grazed on the plant. Indeed, both the meat and milk from poisoned livestock can pass the toxin to human consumers. Symptoms of milk poisoning include loss of appetite, weakness, abdominal discomfort, abnormal acidity of the blood, and death. Top 4. The castor bean. Widely grown as an ornamental, the castor bean is an attractive plant native to Africa. While the processed seeds are the source of castor oil, they naturally contain the poison ricin and are deadly in small amounts. It only takes 1 or 2 seeds to kill a child and up to 8 to kill an adult. Ricin works by inhibiting the synthesis of proteins within cells and can cause severe vomiting, diarrhea, seizures, and even death. Top 3. The Rosary pea. These spicily named seeds contain abrin, an extremely deadly ribosome-inhibiting protein. Rosary peas are native to tropical areas and are often used in jewelry and prayer rosaries. While the seeds are not poisonous if intact, seeds that are scratched, broken, or chewed can be lethal. It only takes 3 micrograms of abrin to kill an adult, less than the amount of poison in 1 seed, and it's said that numerous jewelry makers have been made ill or died after accidentally pricking their fingers while working with the seeds. Like ricin, abrin prevents protein synthesis within cells and can cause organ failure within 4 days. Top 2. The Oleander. Described by Pliny the Elder in ancient Rome, oleander is a beautiful plant known for its striking flowers. Though commonly grown as a hedge and ornamental, all parts of the oleander plant are deadly and contain lethal cardiac glycosides known as oleandrin and narin. If eaten, oleander can cause vomiting, diarrhea, erratic pulse, seizures, coma, and death, and contact with the leaves and sap is known to be a skin irritant to some people. Indeed, the toxins in oleander are so strong that people have become ill after eating honey made by bees that visited the flowers. Fortunately, fatalities from oleander poisoning are rare as the plant is very bitter and thus quickly deters anyone sampling the vegetation. And here's the number 1 deadliest plant in the world. Top 1. Tobacco. Tobacco is the most widely grown commercial non-food plant in the world. All parts of the plant, especially its leaves, contain the toxic alkaloids nicotine and nabazine and can be fatal if eaten. Despite its designation as a cardiac poison, nicotine from tobacco is widely consumed around the world and is both psychoactive and addictive. The nicotine in any tobacco product readily absorbs into the blood when a person uses it. Nicotine immediately stimulates the adrenal glands to release the hormone epinephrine. Epinephrine stimulates the central nervous system and increases blood pressure, breathing, and heart rate. Tobacco use causes more than 5 million deaths per year, making it the deadliest plant in the world.